Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pappu Career Guide, a complete guide for all your career needs। तो फ्रेंड ये हमने वीडियो बनाया था 14 दिसंबर को। तो फ्रेंड इसमें मैंने बताया था कि कॉग्निजेंट ऑनबोर्डिंग को लेकर, तो इसमें आप लोग के फ्रेंड आई थिंक 250 कमेंट्स आए हैं। ठीक है, जब आप लोग वीडियो देख रहे हो कि मे भी कमेंट्स बढ़ भी सकता है, तो अभी मैं सारे के सारे आपके कमेंट्स जितने भी आए थे कि सारे के सारे मुझे कमेंट्स लगे थे इंपॉर्टेंट्स हैं, इसलिए मैं इस वीडियो में बात करूँगा। साथ ही साथ कॉग्निजेंट के अभी तक मेरे पास जितने भी अपडेट्स है उसको मैं शेयर करने वाला हूँ इस वीडियो में। तो वीडियो में आप लोग प्लीज़ सर इन तक जरूर देखना, और वीडियो को पूरा इन तक देखने के बाद ही आप लोग कमेंट करना, क्योंकि आप लोग जो कमेंट करते हो क्या पता मैं उसका आंसर अपने वीडियोस में ही दे दूं। तो प्लीज़ try to watch complete video। After watching the complete video, if your doubt is not clear, then only you can ask in my comment section। Please friend try to understand। Okay, so let's start this with this video। Okay, which company is good for freshers at TCS as Wipro? बता दो फ्रेंड, सारे की सारी कंपनी कुछ कोई कुछ अच्छे होते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ अच्छी बातें होती है, कुछ ना कुछ बुरी बातें होती है। मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूँगा फिर एज अ फ्रेशर्स आप लोग विप्रो को ही चुन सकते हो एज पर माई, और आपका मन है तो TCS इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड। ओके, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन आते हैं फ्रेंड यहाँ पर। तो सर व्हाट अबाउट दोज हु हैड नॉट गोट एनी अपडेट आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग देयर HR राउंड? बता दो फ्रेंड, जो लोग भी HR राउंड अभी तक कंप्लीट कर चुके हो, येस दे आर नॉट सेंडिंग एनी मेल आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द HR राउंड बिकॉज दे आर फर्स्ट कंप्लीटिंग देयर फर्स्ट फेज, फर्स्ट बैच ज्वाइनिंग प्रोसेस। आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द लेट सपोज आप लोगों ने जब एग्जाम दे रखा था, आपका जब HR राउंड हुआ था, उसमें से बेसिकली क्या हुआ, मान लो कि 1000 बच्चों ने अपना जो है राउंड दिया था, उसमें से 500 बच्चे बैच 1 में चले गए जिनका भी ज्वाइनिंग हो रहा है। आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द 500 कैंडिडेट्स ज्वाइनिंग आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द ज्वाइनिंग प्रोसेस, देन आफ्टर द रिमेनिंग 500 कैंडिडेट्स विल गेट अ HR राउंड। और डरने की कोई बात नहीं है, आपको यहाँ से रिजेक्शन देखने को नहीं मिलेगा, मेरी तरफ से आप लोग गारंटी रहना। ओके, if you are meeting the Cognizant eligibility criteria and your communication skills is very good and your performance is also good, then no need to worry for rejection। Okay, so don't thought about that, sir, like sir maybe they will reject us, they are taking times after HR. No, they will not reject you, but you have to meet their eligibility criteria। Okay, I have completed my HR round on 23rd November, and from I am waiting for the next step. I do not get any update from company. Yes, there are lots of candidates are there, or most probably are from mechanical background. They are still waiting for their date of joining and result. Okay, so wait. Okay, because you are now in second batch. Hope so. Okay, I attended interview on genc 29 July, but still not now. Just move on, friend, because 29 July is a very long time। Okay, so don't focus on Cognizant, just move on and try to apply for different companies। Okay, there are lots of companies are hiring right now। Okay, so wait, I'm just giving the like so that I can understand how much comments I replied। Okay, hello sir, I had my previous date of joining on 26 September, but I didn't receive any my onboarding pass on that day, and after 1 month I received my date of joining on December 30, but still yet they have not sent any mail to upload the document। and so can you suggest me that whether this time also my onboarding pass will generate or not? Agar if you got your date of joining is 30th of December, so don't worry, wait for some more days, before 5 to 6 days, most probably 5 to 6 days before you will getting your onboarding pass, so don't need to worry, but make sure you are meeting the eligibility criteria of Cognizant, because they will also reject you if you are not meeting the eligibility criteria। Okay, hello sir, I have completed all my 17 tasks of pre-joining formalities, but I have not received onboarding pass, and still the status is showing that wait for your date of joining। So first of all I like मैं एक बात को यहाँ पे क्लियर कर देता हूँ, there are total of 19 tasks, 18 और 19 tasks is there। Okay, और 20 tasks some have, कुछ लोग का 20 टास्क भी देखने को आए हैं, तो 17 टास्क इज नॉट योर कंप्लीट टास्क, one or two more task is there। Okay, I think one is your onboarding pass। Okay, and who are not received any onboarding pass or date of joining, okay, just wait for some more days, because they are first completing their first batch date of joining। After completing the first batch date of joining, then you are going to be received, so don't worry, before 22nd of February 2022 you all are going to be joined in a company। Okay, and you are also going to be start your work also। Okay, so no need to worry about that। Okay, just wait, most of the people doesn't get any mail after completing HR round, please make a video on the topic। I just tell you na that first batch is going to be join the company after completing the first batch joining process and completing their all the process after completing first batch। I think you are now in second batch, so wait for your turn, so don't worry, after completing HR interview they will not reject you। Okay, Why, what is the branch of the person who sent you the screenshot of the onboarding pass? Please let us know. Branch, please reply in the next video. So wait, I'm just this okay, this I think so this is a girl. Okay, this belonging from the CSC branch. Okay, then this is basically from Kolkata. Okay, okay. So I discussed ना. Yes, code video sir. Oh yes. Okay. And आगे बात करते हैं तो पप्पू ब्रो, I in BGV I have submitted my only one regular marks 1 to 6. I have backlog in BTech, but all the cleared. I'm not submitting the backlog cleared marks memo. Is there any rejection? Just upload your all the document, because I think they will reject you, because they already mentioned you don't have any any backlog during the onboarding process. Okay, so in that case they will reject you, because all marks are all the certificates are mandatory and do not have any backlog. Hey, my joining date is 28th December, but there is no option to upload the affidavit and other document. Onboarding pass is not generated. It is because I have not registered for NCR. No, it's not a NCR issue. Okay, just wait. They will send you soon a mail regarding this. Okay, so don't worry. Is NCR registration mandatory? Yes, it is. This is mandatory, but wait for your BGP mail and open. Till then, they open or not. Okay, अगर open करता है तो आप लोग upload कर सकते हो. One of my friend got onboarding pass and his training is physically, and joining date is also same 16 December. So it may be happen like they will call you physically, but right now I'm talking about the Kolkata location. But because this girl is belonging from the Kolkata, that's why if they ask you to visit the physically, then you have to go to the center also. Okay, it's totally depends on Cognizant business requirement. Okay, I have completed my pre-joining formalities on 27th November. Still not got date of joining. When will I expect? Please reply. I already told you that before 22nd February 2022, you all are going to be receive the Cognizant date of joining. So no need to worry. Okay. When should I be submit our NSR IT pin? They will mail you for the same, and this will also you will get in your background verification. Okay, in your task where you're getting the 17 to 18 task, there you will be finding your NSR IT pin to submit. Okay. Hi Pappu bro, what's the next process? Who got the selection mail of CIS profile? And please, CIS profile, I think this is a Capgemini process. Now I think I already discussed this point. Okay. Oh sir, please tell me when mechanical engineering student accept date of joining. I think you all are belonging from the batch 2, so wait for your turn. I think before February or before January, you all are going to be received. Okay. For mechanical engineering, I think 1 or 2 my subscriber belonging from the mechanical background, they received date of joining I think on 12th or 13th of December. Okay. You just join my Telegram group and just ask there. Okay, because I think 1 or 2 persons are there for mechanical background, they received their date of joining on I think 16th of December, and one more is 28th of December. I think 3 candidates are there, and another third girl is there, mechanical, she belonging from the mechanical, and she got a date of joining is 6th January. Yes, 6th January. Please do make a video when they send date of joining for 9IT. I already discussed now. Date of joining is pure before 22nd February 2022. Okay, it may be happen they will send you a next week also and next month also. Okay. Bro, I got my offer letter on 22nd November 22nd, but for me it is still in pre joining formalities. देखो यार, मैं एक बात आप लोग यहाँ पे क्लियर करता हूँ, कोई भी कंपनी, चाहे किसी भी कंपनी की मैं बात करूँ, सारे के सारे जो प्रोसेस होते हैं वो सारे के सारे रैंडम प्रोसेस होते हैं. कभी कभी किसी का बहुत जल्दी प्रोसेस होकर कंप्लीट हो जाता है, और कभी कभी किसी का डिले हो जाता है. तो ये सारे के सारे कंपनी के बिजनेस रिक्वायरमेंट पर डिपेंड करता है. ये हम यहाँ डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते. सारी की सारी कंपनी की जो बिजनेस जो बैकएंड जो टीम रहती है वो सब कुछ इसको संभालती है. And what about evaluation result? Because I have gave interview on 20th November. Yes. For evaluation result, I think few candidates are received the programmer trainee. Okay, sorry, engineer trainee role. Okay, and few are still left. Okay, just wait for your result. If you received the evaluation result, and just wait for some more days, you are going to be received. Okay, so no need to worry, they will not reject you. Does Cognizant allow part-time 12th pass candidates? I don't think they will allow part-time. I think full-time is allowed. I have completed my 17 tasks on 1st December. When will I get a joining? I will be discussed now before 22nd February 2022. It's been 15 days. I had completed my 17 step rejoining formalities, but it shows in progress. When will I get? I will discuss before February 2022. Okay. When will offer letter? I already discussed. I did not get any assessment link for Cognizant. Should I wait? I don't think you should wait. Okay, and I don't think they will send you. But wait, because no. I think yesterday or before yesterday, one candidate got assessment link from the Cognizant. So wait. Sorry, wait. Okay, they will send you. I did not submit my onboarding pass on my date of joining. After that I try to submit, that is not happening. What's the next step? Please tell me. Just raise a query on one Cognizant portal, they will help you out, okay, for the next process. Sir, can I fill all the details? Okay, can I fill all the details in pre-joining formalities, but I could not get any date of joining. I will discuss. Okay, can I fill all the details in pre-joining formalities, but I didn't got any date of joining? Yes, you can fill if you get it, just complete. How many days it will take to get date of joining completing? After I did discuss. Okay, bro, after generating onboarding pass, still they still send offer letter rejection after. Yes, yes. If you completed your date of joining date, let's suppose your date of joining is 22nd of December. After completing date 22nd December, then you are now safe zone. But right now you are a danger zone, because they are also rejecting. Na, that's why I'm telling. Bro, I have given my HR on 20th November when they will get send offer letter status, or almost 1 month. Not 1 month. Just wait for February. Okay, wait for 1 more month also. Okay. So next video, please do in English. I will discuss. Okay, our near office or home. Correct. If they want to go for office, then also they will mail you for the same. Okay, so don't worry. I was supposed to onboard company on 7th December 2020. I did not receive any onboarding pass, and in Cognizant on the portal my date of joining still remains 7th December. There is still no update. Just raise a query on the one Cognizant portal. Just raise a query over there and just share the screenshot of your date of joining date mentioned on the one Cognizant portal also. Okay. Anyone please reply, complete my TCS interview on 24th November and verified out the certificate. HR said we contact you after. Then I got 3 feedback form not filled, still not got any update on the rejection or selection, etc. Wait, because in TCS they will never reject you. So they will reject you if you are not meeting the eligibility criteria. I did the pre-joining formalities on November 25th and still not showing in progress. Still showing in progress. Just wait, I will discuss now. You should wait for some more days. I think most of the queries are same. Okay, on my pass ready for organization. I did not receive it, because yes, you are right. Okay, because they are sending in batches now, that's why. Because wait, because I created this video 14th of December, and right now most of the candidates are already received, and few are left who are belonging from the mechanical background. Okay, just wait for your turn, you are going to be received soon. Okay, I think I have given upload my page informatives 27. I please help me, please guide me. I will discuss now, just wait, they will send you soon. Okay, so don't worry. I think most of the comments are same. I think so. यार मेरा प्री ज्वाइनिंग फॉर्मेलिटी नवंबर कंप्लीट हो गया था, अभी तक कोई डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग नहीं आया. कब आएगा कोई बता सकता है क्या? देखो, डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग बिफोर 22 फरवरी 2022 के पहले ही आएगा. देखने कोई जनवरी में भी आ सकता है, दिसंबर के इन में भी आ सकता है, फरवरी के फर्स्ट वीक में भी आ सकता है. ठीक है, आई थिंक सो. सारी कमेंट सेम है यार, सारी कमेंट्स है. ठीक है, तो आई थिंक ठीक है, आई थिंक सो सारी कमेंट्स सेम है. प्री ज्वाइनिंग फॉर्मेलिटी बट नाउ आई डिस्कस assessment link. What is the problem? Just wait, because they are still sending assessment link. I have completed my pre-joining. Same question. I think most of the questions are same. Okay, and if your questions are same, now please like the first comment, just like this one. Now please do video on when we get date of joining. Oh, just like this comment. Now that's why so that I can understand what is the question. Okay, because you are commenting. There are lots of comments are there. Now that's why. I think I discuss all the important points and topics. Okay, and if you have still in doubt, you can just comment in comment section. मिलते हैं. जय हिंद, जय भारत.